All right, so we're here at the candy store for bathrooms. I'm really excited just to see what you guys have. So maybe just talk about, you know, is it more recent than you guys, have you expanded here? And
yeah, we've been in this location for about 8 years now. And we're always, you know, updating our suites, and you'll actually see towards the back, we have 2 that are in the renovation stage right now.
Clients coming in, they're coming in the front door, and it's just like, wow, where do they start? They're thinking about a bathroom. What is the steps? What would be the first?
We start by looking at a single faucet for a sink.
Right.
And then everything can match up to that. The reason that I like to start there is because usually in a bathroom, when you walk in, you see that it's pretty obviously there. And so that kind of leads the conversation of, okay, what do I want the rest of my bathroom to look like? Take the customer over to this area here. And this is, right here is our Kohler area. And as you go down the wall, there's different brands.
Right.
We talk about finishes here. And then you can see where if they picked this faucet here, it matches with this collection.
Gotcha. And this is kind of the hot color right now, right?
Absolutely.
What is this officially called?
This one is brushed brass. Okay. So every brand is going to have a different name for it, but brushed brass is kind of the general name for that finish.
Yeah.
Typically, I find everything that a customer wants within the Kohler brand. And they're at a reasonable price point too.
Yeah. And they have a lot of good options. They stay trendy too. Right?
Yes,
they're
absolutely.
Like, this is what's hot. This is what we're showing.
Once we've kind of narrowed down the style that we like, we'll go over the different options for your shower fixtures. Like, okay, what functions do you want to have in your shower? Do you want a rain head? Do you want a regular head? A handheld is always recommended because then it makes it easier to clean the shower.
What is the rain shower? I hear kind of mixed. What is your take on the rain shower? Because I hear some, mixed reviews.
So the rain shower is great for specific reasons. So if it's somebody who has really thick hair, long hair, and they only want a rain shower in their shower, I usually advise them against that. Yeah. I would say if you want that, do a hand shower on a slide bar as well. So you can slide it all the way up to the top and use it as your shower head. Because rain showers it's basically a canister that fills up with water. The water falls out with gravity. So you're not going to get the same pressure, the aerated spray. So it really does feel like you're out in the rain, which is not that great for getting conditioner out of your hair because your shower will take twice as long.
It's those little details.
There's lots of undermount sinks versus a vessel sink. So that's something where we need to have that discussion next, is what kind of sink you want. I would say the majority of people do an undermount sink because it's really easy for cleaning. It's very functional. But there are options too in maybe a powder room where you want it to be really, really cool looking and eye-catching. You might do something like this, overflow versus not having an overflow. Because if you have little kids and you plug the drain and there's no overflow.
And this one doesn't have an overflow.
Right.
So what does that mean? You're creating a pool in your basement.
Right, exactly. Yeah. So, if it's just 2 adults in the bathroom, you're probably fine without an overflow, but there's always that chance of accidentally leaving the water running.
So this is your overflow here, and that's basically, once the water gets up to that, the water will go out that go.
Right.
Let's go with this now. Let's go pick a tub.
All right, so let's go. The tub that I would recommend right off the top of my head would be something like this.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is not in particular the tub filler that matches that collection, but you could absolutely do this. You don't have to match every single piece to the collection. You can have fun with it. This one has like the really cool handles. Yeah. There's lots of options that way.
But as long as you stay within the same finish.
Right.
You can kind of adjust the...
Yeah, you want to stay within the same finish and at least the same style, whether it be contemporary, transitional, or traditional. This has air jets in it. So a lot of tub companies have moved towards air jets instead of Whirlpool jets. because the air jets, for one, are more sanitary.
I love this tub. So we have this. What would be the pick for the toilet?
So the toilet that I would choose would be this one right here.
Yeah.
This is probably my most popular one-piece contemporary toilet.
Yeah.
So the one piece means that the tank is not separated from the bowl. It's all one piece. So it's all integrated in, and that makes it really easy for cleaning, and it just has a sleeker look.
Yeah, I love that. It's very small too. It looks,
yeah, low profile, still comfort height, but it's just small in general.
This is another popular, it's getting more popular.
Yep. So it's a bidet seat. Yeah, so it's a bidet seat. So the thing that customers always want to be aware of is if they are going to potentially order a bidet seat, even if it's not right away, they want to have their electrician put a plug by their toilet, an outlet by their toilet, because otherwise you'd have to have an electrician come back in to do that. So whenever anyone's doing a remodel, I tell them, if you have any interest in it whatsoever, have your electrician put the outlet by the toilet. We've got lots of medicine cabinets, and the fun thing is most of the medicine cabinets in the showroom look like mirrors because they're recessed into the wall, and you wouldn't even know that it's a medicine cabinet. This one really just looks like a mirror.
Yes.
That's a medicine cabinet. It opens right up.
Yeah.
And then you've got...
And again, it's all in the details. You know, you got your toothbrush.
Yep.
You can have it plugged in. You know, it is... And I like that because and it has the mirror on both sides.
Yep. Cool. And then these are the components accessories. So you've got a little hand towel bar there, and then a towel bar, toilet paper holder, even a grab bar in the tub shower area. So it's really, we try to make it really easy for the customer to just, once you pick your faucet, it's just really simple after that. When somebody's coming in for aging in place, I try to make it look as homey and nice as possible without them feeling like they're in an institutionalized bathroom.
The big stainless steel pipe that we just kind of like,
exactly. And this, I mean, we have grab bars in all the different finishes, depending on what brand it is. And different styles.
Hey, anybody could use it. It's something to grab hold of.
Yeah, even just to like put a washcloth over or anything like that. It doesn't even, it could just be something for use in the future, but you could still use it for other things now. So I will tell you, my favorite higher end brand is Newport Brass.
Okay.
They are really, really good quality. They're all brass construction. So Kohler is metal construction, but it's a lighter weight metal. Whereas Newport Brass is a heavy duty brass. Like you can just feel it in the weight.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really heavy.
So, and they have about 20 different finishes that you can pick from, and every faucet comes in every finish. This is the top. This is the top of the top.
Yes.
As you can tell, probably just by this faucet. Gotcha. And this is actually gold, like real gold. Wow. Okay. So they are not by any means a low price pointed brand, but they're really cool.
Just for the
product.
watchers, the listeners, what is this? Retail.
Something retail is probably about $3,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So not, we're not, we won't put it in all 10 bathrooms, but.
No, but if it's something you really love.
You can do it, yeah.
Well, yeah, if you have 10 bathrooms, you can probably do that.
Oh, cool. We see this as kind of being more popular.
Yeah, I've sold a lot of these. Actually, recently, I've started to sell more and more of them. So yeah, the lighted mirrors are great. This is from a company called Modeli.
What is this? Is this button? This is like.
So that's a defogger. Wow. So you can turn that on before you get in the shower, and there's a heating, like a pad behind it that's going to keep at least the center of the mirror heated and defogged. And then the other button has different lighting, so you can like double tap it, and it's going to change the color of the lighting. See, And then if you hold it, it's going to dim or brighten.
Right. Yeah, wow. But we like them because a lot of times, you know, if it's a smaller bathroom, you don't either have the sconce lights or you have the over light. This is like all in one.
Right.
And it looks cool.
And this one in particular doesn't just have the light around it, it has light behind it too.
Right. Yeah.
Which is really cool. It's like a soft glow behind it, it's nice because, you know, you don't have to have the brightness all the way up on the mirror, but you can still have like that soft glow as kind of like a night light sort of thing.